Okay, the last step in the marketing research process is interpreting and representing the research information. Again, the main function of marketing research is to aid decision making. So when we go ahead and we have results, we want to make sure that we report the results clearly, concisely, to go ahead and ensure that the effectiveness of the research can go ahead and help aid decision making. So here are just some ways that we can go ahead and report data. One is with a frequency table. Here are some highlights. You always want to label your tables with a title. Let the reader know exactly what you're communicating to them. Totals are also important. Go ahead and create a total for your reader so that they can see, oh, each of these categories might have 54, 22, 11, and 13 people, and that sums to be 100. Now, for some items on a survey, people don't go ahead and answer the question. So it's always good to go ahead and report the number of missing cases. In this example, everybody went ahead and answered this question. So we had 100% participation. Another way we can go ahead and report the data for our decision makers is to use a histogram. Again, same amount of data, same exact data being reported, just represented in a picture form versus a table form. So this comes down to personal preference. Again, having a title and going ahead and reporting the counts are really important. The last thing for a histogram that I find to be really useful is to go ahead and label on top of each of the graphs and the top of each of the bars the percentage, so that the reader doesn't have to guess, is that 51%, is that 52? No, you go ahead and tell them that is actually 54%. Again, the whole point of doing the research is to aid decision making, so you want to make things clear and concisely for those decision makers.